My people, I don't bring una matter from Ooni of Ife. For una wey no know, I'm a Nigerian monarch and traditional ruler. This man don dey work on this matter since, my people. So finally, this man don bring cure for coronavirus for Nigeria. You understand? So this man now, you don't come and tell us, say, he don't tire for us to dey spend money outside they do. He don't come prove to Nigeria and to the whole world, say in dey capable, and Nigeria fit come out with good thing for this life. Hey, now wow. I bet my people, I dey told this thing with joy, you understand? So I bet for una we no know who be Ooni of Ife, join me, make we watch the video.
Yeah, and for us to prove to the world that something great can come out of Nigeria, as the world is celebrating their vaccine. These are the products of our vaccine that we are celebrating. Leave me, I'm the one that will hand it over to all of you one after the other. We are celebrating Seal today. We have Naija approval. We have all the necessary federal government approval for Seal products, both in capsule and in liquid form, and it has been proven and tested.
One country, Nigeria. The only country, Nigeria. Any other Nigerian counterfeit, forget them. Finally, it's about to go down. This man don't come prove himself. Hey, who say we no fit do am? No, who thought at least no make una happy small nah. Bad news everywhere, every day bad news, every day bad news. Because today we know they talk about bandits too. You understand? Leave those criminals. At least we don't come out with good news. At least person don't make us smile small. You understand? So I bet make una join me give am small credit. It is very, very important. Because Nigeria don't too rely on white people. They don't too rely on outside countries. Waiting. Very soon now, if Nigeria won't breathe, they go make international call. Hello, we need air. Anything now, Nigeria they rely on people, especially white people. Hey, white people don't chop our money. Nobody the one when they talk African money. White people don't chop Nigeria money, so they don't ready to vomit them again. At least this man don't come out with good results. Because we been they dash our money to people. And we know they talk about thousands, so billions, trillions. When person go just come, we just found out that this thing can be done. We found a new project, a new this one. Nigeria go buy inside. Send them money, billions, trillions. Our money just they go. We know even they see what they use our money do. Now they go no say now these people imagine if even these white people now come hear this matter, say person for Nigeria bring cure for coronavirus. They go not say we dey useful. They go now they go start. See, now like this is supposed to be as big as Nigeria dey, natural resources dey, plants dey. See, we get all the necessary things. So tell me why we say up till now people eyes start dey open. Who tell una say we know Nigeria no fit just do this thing on their own? All the things wey we dey get from outside, if Nigeria put their mind down, we go get them. But laziness no even allow people to start investing in their own country again. And another one again, selfishness, because everybody they think of their own pocket. If only Nigeria wise now. Listen, if only Nigeria wise. You see this cure, they go even start to sell out to even those countries where they deceive us since. They go even see import them abroad. May they not say we too, because now not be only them go they bring vaccine. So now we too we get cure. Make we also send our own. Make I even shock una. It go surprise you people. Say if we finally send this cure where we get now to abroad, they go see like shit. But when they send their own, now they rush. Ojuko koro. Everybody don't open because now white. That title owner, that tag owner don't tag white people like say they be una God. How come they not fit accept una own, but they go take? But when una they send, una won't die, una won't kill una self because na white person bring her. I bet my brother, congrats But wait my people, na good news. But we need 100% sure. Hope say this thing na real. Not the one way person go take am now, na only malaria dey cure. Hope say this thing real. I no want fake matter, I no want scam, I no want make it dey in fact 100% perfect. Because na some matter reach me say wetin dey call that man president of Madagascar say he do cure. They say he bring him own cure. This one, they don dey make plenty noise. My people, last we no come see till today. I no see the cure. I no even see I no see anything. Now why they beg? Say I beg. Make this thing better be true because the news is good. Forget them. It's good. You understand? At least person don't step forward. Congratulations, you understand? And I wish say this thing you go get the best out of it. You know why they wish you the best? Because you go need them. My brother, you go need them. So you better accept them with your whole heart now. My people, now the jollification matter be this. So at least Naija don't put one leg outside, you understand? And this one I go come teach other people. I say, I think we dey serious, we mean business. Very, very important. So any comment where you get concerning this matter, whether you no believer or you believer, I don't bring her. So drop her for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video. All those countries, they need hear us. Say we don't arrive, we too, we don't do something for this world. You understand? And if you never subscribe, very, very important, because in my hand, subscribe. Help this guy. Stay tuned for the next story. My beautiful people, I don't come again with the latest update concerning this corona anal test. I tell una before, una think say na joke. I don't come now with the video because for una we never know how they bend, wetin they put inside, how it look like. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
在新冠肺炎病例刚知采集时，请大家着2级防护。我这是为了演示，所以穿这个1级。然后采肛水的时候，拿咱们这个病毒采样管。 然后先主病人找一个合适的位置做一个支撑，然后把双腿岔开，然后告诉他一些注意事项，告诉他放松，然后咱们开始采集。采集的时候让他放松，然后用咱们这个就采烟水的这个烟水的棉签儿，然后让他捅进肛门，捅进去之后两三厘米，然后转3圈，然后拿出来看有没有颜色改变，有的话插到咱们这管里。
See how my body they do me somehow. The imagination alone on how that thing go be like. It be like say make I just faint, make I not wake up again. Wetin be this? Wetin I just see now? My people, now I dey see politicians don't see us finish. You know understand? Like they don't see their citizens. They don't turn us to fowls. We look like fowls for their eye. No value. Chineke. Hey. And no, the thing say when they pay me, if na only fowl when they don't see us as, at least we go just not say okay now this thing. But now they enjoy. They make us to look foolish. They enjoy on top. Which kind of life be this? No, how? So for them now we look stupid. See, last, China don't mad though. Last. Hey! Wahala. This anal testing. See, my people, you know they need dead. But because of the corrupt psychopath politicians, human beings now, we dey forced now to bend and take this thing anyhow. If you ask me, we don't need them. Just like that, they could just bring different things. See, this thing is psychological humiliation. Allow me speak this English, because now so my body they do me now. COVID just they confuse people anyhow. Since when Corona come, not be just these people. Everybody they think say they get solution. Everybody thinks say na like this we supposed to do. Everybody want rule. Everybody, I don't just understand wetin happen. My people. Anything can happen in this life. No trust human beings. Anything. See, if I tell you now last 2 years or last year, no, last year sef even they close. Last 2 years. If I been sit una down, tell you say, my people, by this time, they check una anus. Una no go tell me say I dey mad. No, most of una say una go insult me finish. See am. E dey here, and this one sef na just the beginning. Na only God know wetin go come happen before this year go end. If we don start with anus, na be say we go end up with wetin? I no just dey understand. See, me nobody deceive una. Politicians no love una o. This love why they laugh. They no love una. And after they told this thing, I not just they talk about African politicians, worldwide. Everybody they think of their selfish interest. Human beings fit change anytime, and they capable of anything. Once they put fear in human being body, wetin they no fit do? They fit even, in fact, they fit even humiliate themselves, deny themselves, nothing. Fear na very dangerous something. Fear. Once fear don't enter human being heart or mind, they don't defeat that person. Nothing wey you fit do, because see, una suppose dey very careful this period. Because now people they use media spread fear everywhere. Na true talk. Fear everywhere. People don't use media. They use media. They strategize. Especially all those people where they for top. If they see, if I tell una, say malaria, they more dangerous than coronavirus, una go believe? No. But we don't live with malaria for how many years, decades? Nobody take us serious. Why? Because they don't do propaganda the way they do. The way they do this corona. Hi. Where even before you even look now, you dey careful, say, make I no look something wey go give me corona. But malaria, we don't live with malaria since. Meanwhile, malaria even dey dangerous more than this corona. But because they don't spread them, they don't put fear for our body. Now everybody want see my people. I they told this thing now with a very are they very very serious? Una not even they see my teeth. Una supposed to be very careful. You understand? Now. They don't try first lockdown. Some countries don't even do up to 2 lockdown. You never do them. And all this lockdown will happen. They don't, because see, una supposed to use una head. They use all these things. They plan their evil things. All these lockdowns will happen. Now test where they test. they test because they plan how they go take over. So they don't say this fair lockdown we don't succeed. You understand? They define how to control people. As I told to Nana, for New York, the mayor don't already come outside now say, may they put another lockdown. No, say that one. Ask me the reason. Because of what? Snow. He say, snow go plenty, and people not supposed to come outside because of snow. Una know how long snow don't exist. Even before they born many of una, snow don't they exist since. So how come now, all of a sudden, and snow, they get the ones we come where people, you don't even feel breathe. But yet, people still they go work, people still they do their things. But now, no, we cannot think. Why now? And why snow can't be the reason? See, they won't take una freedom. They won't take control. Now, why you see say all these things they happen, everybody just they bring their own reason. Una suppose waiting sharp. See, no be say na matter for another decade or 5 years time. It dey happen now, my people. These people, they don't sit down, they don't plan. You don't understand? They don't plan, say, okay, how we fit take over, how we fit take their freedom. Politicians won't take una freedom. See, una suppose sit up. Una understand me? Because now, from this Anna thing, now only God know where we dey enter. Now why una suppose see every day I dey tell una this thing every day. No, they live your life like say you no get anything to do. See, serious thing you suppose in fact at this time say you suppose take your prayer life serious. So if not, you just say everybody go just dey dismiss. These people they smart. They see China. China are they call on you now. Una never tell us what you are define. At least come outside, tell us what you are define, because all these strategies and different reasons una they give us. Me, I know the understand that. I don't know for una, but me, I know the understand that. My people, now why I bring this case come on a table. Because this case, we need discuss am seriously and e need go viral. Now, why you need share this video? And I still want to know what you think. So drop am for the comment section because this matter dey very, in fact, I even want use serious, but I go use dangerous. This matter, e dey very dangerous. So no forget, share this video, click on that notification bell so that you no go miss any important thing when we drop. Love you guys. See you later.